JDM.
With a Z. Okay, here we have a 2000 Mazda Miata Roadster. So one of the homies, he's here at the base, and he hit me up. He was like, yo, I'm about to leave, but I don't want to take it, so can you post it up for me? I'm like, yo, I got you, dog. Tell me what's going on with it. So he just did, like, he loves his car. He had it for like 3 years or whatever. And he just did the full maintenance. He did the timing belt, water pump, oil change. You can tell that this dude really loves his car. I'm gonna break it down to you real quick. So super clean under the hood. Timing belt was just done. Everything was just done on it. No leaks, no nothing, right? That's one. Everything looks pretty solid under there. But interior looks pretty good, and the hardtop is super expensive here in Japan. I don't know if you guys are tracking these things on Yahoo auctions, but roll cage in there, 6-speed. I know these usually come 5-speed. But this one is 6-speed. Oh, I need to crank this thing up. Yeah, full exhaust. I just heard that. Full exhaust on there. Bing! He's got the Work Emotions on there. And then he popped the... I don't even know how to pop the trunk on this thing. He popped the trunk. Oh, is it this? No. Where the fuck's the trunk thing at? He popped the trunk and was like, yo, it'll come with all these parts that I have not put on. I'm gonna have to ship this separately for you. Like, there's like mad like little parts in there for like the latches and all the other stuff like he didn't get around to. So it'll come with all of that. I can't leave it in the trunk, but I can ship it to you separately. Come with the wheels. Underneath looks pretty good. I checked it out before the video just to make sure I wasn't selling a piece of shit, but this one's pretty good. No rust, no holes, no nothing. That must be where he put the roll cage into the floor right there. Yep. All the way through. So yeah, this one's cool. Just need some paint, maybe some coilovers, and you'll be set. So if you need this one, let me know.